Welcome to Tech Info Guruji. In this video, we'll share the top tips and tricks to help you get a job in today's competitive market, along with real examples to guide you. Let's dive in. Your resume is your first impression, so make it count. Use a clean, professional format and highlight your relevant experience and skills. Tailor your resume for each job application by including keywords from the job description. Jane tailored her resume for a marketing position by highlighting her social media management experience and including keywords like SEO, content creation, and analytics. This helped her stand out to employers. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is up to date with a professional photo, a compelling summary, and detailed work experience. Engage with industry-related content and connect with professionals in your field. John regularly shared industry articles and participated in LinkedIn discussions. This increased his visibility and led to a recruiter reaching out with a job opportunity. Networking is one of the most effective ways to find a job. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with alumni from your school. Don't hesitate to reach out to people for informational interviews to learn more about their roles and companies. Lisa attended a tech conference where she met a hiring manager from a leading company. They stayed in touch, and a few months later, she was hired for a software engineering position. Preparation is key to acing job interviews. Research the company, understand its culture, and be ready to discuss how your skills and experiences align with the job. Practice answering common interview questions and have questions ready for the interviewer. Mike prepared for his interview by researching the company's recent projects and practicing answers to behavioral questions. His preparation paid off, and he received a job offer. Getting a job in today's market requires a combination of a strong resume, a robust online presence, effective networking, and thorough interview preparation. Follow these tips and tricks, and you'll be well on your way to landing your next job. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Subscribe to Tech Info Guruji channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.